Everyone wants to be rich, and yet most people never get there. You know what? It is not because they are not smart enough or because they didn't work hard enough. It is because they fell into traps, invisible traps that keep millions of people stuck in the same financial loop for life. If I've been working for years but still feel like I'm one step away from being broke, this video is going to hurt a little because I'm going to tell you the uncomfortable truth about why you're not rich yet, and more importantly, what you need to do starting today to change that. Alright, let's kick things off. The first reason: you spend money the moment you get it. Every raise, every bonus, or every extra dollar, instead of growing it, you upgrade your lifestyle. You know, new phone, new clothes, or new car. You are playing the status games instead of the wealth game. Here's the truth: rich people look rich because they are rich. Most people look rich because they are broke. Wealth isn't about what you show, it is about what you keep. So if you're spending more to look successful, you're killing your chances of actually becoming successful. Reason number 2: you don't invest early enough. You keep saying you'll start investing when you have more money, but that is backwards. You don't wait until you have more money to invest. You invest so you can have more money. If you had started putting even $200 a month into any index fund years ago, you would have tens of thousands today. The wealthy don't just earn money, they multiply it. They understand that time is the most powerful tool in building wealth, and every year you wait, you lose one of the most valuable resources: compound growth. Reason 3: you avoid risk, but take the wrong risks. You know, the average person plays it safe with their money. At least that is what they think. They keep it all in their bank, where inflation eats it alive. Meanwhile, they take big risks without even realizing it, like relying on one single income source. But if that job disappears tomorrow, their entire lifestyle collapses. The wealthy take calculated risks, they diversify, and they build multiple streams of income so no single event can destroy them. So here we conclude that if you want to be rich, you cannot hide from risk. You have to learn how to manage it. Reason 4: you trade time for money forever. If every dollar you earn depends on you working a certain number of hours, you'll always be kept. It doesn't matter if you make $15 or $200 an hour. Your income stops when you stop working. On the other side, rich people focus on scalable income. Businesses that make money whether they work that day or not, investments that pay dividends or rents, and digital products that sell 24/7. The moment you stop trading only time for money, you open the door to exponential growth. Reason 5: you don't learn the language of money. Money is a language, and most people are financially illiterate. They can tell you the score of last night's game, but not their credit score. They can tell you what's trending on TikTok, but not how to read the balance sheet. If you don't understand how money works, you'll always work for someone who does. So start reading about personal finance, business, or investing, and listen to podcasts or watch videos like this. Reason 6: you think too small. Many people limit themselves before they even start. They believe making $10,000 a month is impossible, so they never try. But here's the truth: you don't get rich by aiming for survival. You get rich by aiming for abundance. When you think bigger, you make different decisions. You seek big opportunities and you surround yourself with people playing at a higher level. The size of your dreams sets the ceiling for your income. So in this video, we conclude that you're not rich yet because you're playing the wrong game. Or maybe you're playing the right game but with the wrong rules. Stop spending to look wealthy, start investing early, manage risk instead of avoiding it, build scalable income, learn the language of money, and think bigger than your current circumstances.